Welcome to DIYYolande. As you've read from the title from today's video, we are doing an unboxing of my RYOBI power tools. This video is not at all sponsored. These power tools were all gifted to me by RYOBI Africa. If you would like a detailed specifications of each power tool, check the link down in my description box, which will direct you straight into the RYOBI Africa site, where you will get in-depth detail about the power tools. What we are just talking about today is just the key basics about it and what I personally love about a particular tool. I do want to mention though that I have not tried out all these power tools, but I will give you information of those that I have used. Are you ready? If you are, click that like button and click that red subscribe button and join the DIYYolande family. So the first power tool we are starting off with is the Cordless driver drill starter kit XD180. You have definitely seen me use this baby in multiple of my YouTube videos, and if you follow me on Instagram, you will find that I've also utilized it in a lot of my Instagram posts and videos. What I love about this baby, as you've heard, it is cordless. Working with a cordless drill, the key advantage to that is that you do not have to stress about cabling. And that is one thing that I love about this RYOBI cordless range, is that you do not have to stress about a cable. All you need to do is to ensure that you just charge your battery. So in this box, what will be included is cordless drill, a battery, and a charger. A drill is one of the most essential power tools to have. Next up, we have the Cordless circular saw XCS165. And here she is. She is gorgeous. What I love about the saw is that it is very lightweight. I know a lot of people believe and think that a circular saw is heavy. I have not had a great length of experience with circular saws. This was actually the very first circular saw I've ever used in my life. And I am very impressed with how light it is, because from the ones that I've been checking out in my local hardware store, they've been quite heavy, and I must say that has been part of the reason why I have not chosen to invest in a circular saw. But with this cordless circular saw, I love that it is lightweight and it is so beautiful to maneuver through whenever you are cutting your wood. Handle grip here, because while I am working and cutting through a piece of wood, that I am able to comfortably hold it here and just cut through. I have in-depth video on my IGTV where I show you the circular saw in action, so do check it out. Next up, we have the Cordless angle grinder XG115. This baby, again with every other piece in this cordless range, it is also very lightweight. Let me let you in on a little something. I haven't used her. Why? Because I have not had a project that requires her. So I need to use this baby. I just don't know when as yet. But what I love about this is that because it comes with this handle, it can be screwed in 3 of these different parts. So you can screw it on here, and then when you're grinding, the handle helps you safely swivel it around on the particular project that you're using. So because I am right-handed, so I'll obviously have it on this side. So if you are left-handed, you can then screw it in on this side. And yeah, you can also screw it on up here and you can grind. Yeah, you can grind. You take a quick water break. temperatures are going to increase during this time, so I urge you guys, whenever you're doing your DIY projects outside, drink your water. Okay, drink your water. Next up, we have the cordless mouse sander, the XMS 2400. This baby is so light. OMG, she is a darling. I love her. Okay, so she's also cordless, so she's battery operated, and she comes with all the necessary accessories that she will need to utilize her. She is orbital level stuff. Like, she is so powerful, because I have another RYOBI drill, which is from the, here's a picture here, and I'll be honest, she is definitely more powerful than this one. However, do they serve the exact same purpose? Yes, they do. So you will not be disappointed whether you purchase this or this baby. Next up, we have this cordless vacuum cleaner XVC18. She comes compact and lightweight design. Guys, it is so lightweight. OMG, OMG. Can I tell you something? I'm not sure if you can or supposed to use it on your couches, but I did. Girl or guy watching this, let me tell you something. It properly cleaned out all the dirt and the dust that was on my couches. So it's safe to say it is multi-purpose. So what I love about it is that it does come with all its accessories: a crevice nozzle, the floor nozzle, the brush nozzle, and the extension tube. And here she is. She is super lightweight, guys. Even after you've put in your battery, she's still very light. I know, I get so excited when I play with my power tools. I love them so much. So I have used her to clean my couches. I have used her to remove, what is this word called? This. On my ceilings and on my frames. And more importantly, it is designed to vacuum up sawdust when you're doing your DIY projects. I love a multi-purpose tool because it saves you a lot of coin. And then next up, we have this Tripack XB4000. I am so appreciative of getting these extra accessories from my RYOBI family. So this battery is the exact same battery as the other smaller one that I showed you, but obviously because it's different in size and watts, it does run longer. So they charge very, very fast, and charge indicator to show you how much life is still within this battery. And then next up, I was gifted this Smart Charger XPP 9000. Oh man, here she is, and this is my charging unit, and it's got a charging indicator to show you how far your battery has charged, if your battery is done charging, if your battery is not charging. So it is very, very smart. I have the cordless heat gun XHG80. So this baby looks very similar to the cordless drill, right? The set is that it comes with accessories for you to use. Obviously, because it's still in its packaging, I haven't used a heat gun, so look out for new DIYs that are coming where I'll be using all the power tools that I have not unpacked as yet. Last but certainly not least, as you can see here, this is my RYOBI Workstation, and it is called the Woodworking Center EWC 1000. Advantages about working with a cordless range, guys, is that when there's a load shedding, because that is a reality here in South Africa, and you're not from South Africa, load shedding is. So when there's load shedding, you are still able to continue with your DIY projects. A few weeks ago, I mentioned in a DIY video that there was actually load shedding while I was working on a project, but I could continue working on it because of the fact that I was working with cordless power tools. You do not have to worry about tripping over cords. As you guys are aware, I did have a RYOBI corded power tool, and I still have it, and she's still an oldie but a goodie, and I will still continue using her in projects. But the most amazing thing about working with the cordless range is the fact that you do not have to stress and worry about cables. I just want to send a great shout out and appreciation to the family of RYOBI Africa. Thank you so much for gifting me all these power tools. I really love them, as I'm sure you now know. I've really enjoyed using them in my YouTube videos and in my Instagram. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you liked it. I hope you subscribed. If you haven't subscribed, you just missing out. That's all I gotta say to you. I'm sorry, I ain't gonna lie to you. You are missing out. You to comment down below which power tool do you like from this range that I have shared with you. Drop your comments down below. Look forward to engaging with you all as always on the comments. And don't forget, power tools have no gender. See you next time. Peace.